President njagala otutangazeemu ejjo President Museveni yadde awa speech ye yatugambye yayogedde ku background yo n'ayogera ku tukiyite muzeeyi wo n'amwogerako ekintu kye tubadde tumanyi konsani eri abantu bagamba nti akaana bulijjo ke tumanyi ng'akembaata waagwan, so tusaba otutangazeemukko mu ekyo ekintu.
That is a very sensitive question. According to my background and where I've come from, I was born in 90s, you know. According to the people who knew my mother, they told me between 89 to 1990. Because omuntu amanyi mama wange nakati Masaka yakyaliyo, yali one of the tight friends. My mom came from Rwanda, but when they came to here to the batandikira Masaka gye babeera, then yazaalibwa mu biseera ebyo bya ntalo awo nga zaakaggwa myaka nga 245 bwe batyo. Naye during that time of war bingi ebya happeningiramu. I had an idea of the story today, but I wasn't sure. Naye by the time when nalabako mama wange period for like 5 years, yalina omusajja and nga muzaddemu abaana. So nange nemmanya nti oyo taata wange, era nenkulanga ndowooza nti era nga tetubeera naye nga tetumanyi na gyali by then, naye nga waliwo omukulu wange Mande ye nga agendayo, twali tubeeranga Kyotera, twava Masaka ne tudda Ekyotera, kati ye nga Mande avaayo n'ajja, naye nga nze mbeereyo mu kyalo bayitayo ninzinga ndi muto. Mama wange yali tabeera nange nze, yali abeeranga ne Mande, waliwo ne sister from Nto yafa bali bamuyita Saala, naye nga nze alina gye yantwala w'abakwano be nga gye mbeera. Saamanya nnyo bikwatagana ku nze na maama wange nnyo kuba nabeera nnyo n'eri family. Then nze nenkula nga mmanyi birala, naye bwe natandika okuba nga nkula, so many people started claiming me ntandise okuvaayo, abantu bajja oli nagamba kino nagamba kino, but until one time like some years ago nga ne Mzee Hassan afudde, gwe nali ndowooza nti ye muzeeyi wange, ne bajja nga balina some proof, you know. Nze ndikaana kamba nze nkulidde ku street, natandika okwerabira from the age of 5-6 until today. Nze nga simanyi taata wange yani, simanyi mama muganda wa mama wange, ku side ya mama wange nali manyiye ne taata we bonna ne bafa. Mama wange yasooka, kitaawe n'addako. Tegera taata we bamuziika na mu ttaka lya kanse Ekyotera, kubanga yali naye talina baganda be baali bali awo. So mama wange twamuziika Ninzi Kaliisizo, Ninzi Buzirandu. Bwe bamuziika mu maka ga bakwano be, kuba by then yali yakagula n'akataka katono kali mu kyalo. Mukwano gwe oba family gyali efudise family aga ono wakati yafuuka wa Luganda muziike wa era it's my family until today where they buried my mom. Kati mala okutandika n'okuyimba nfuse wa kabi, waliwo abantu abajja ne proofs ez'enjawulo ne bandagako ebintu ebimu nendaba nga bikwatagana. So I decided to go. This thing is sensitive because nyina abantu benkuze nabo and they are my sisters, you know. I have my sister, I have Mande. I champaliriza to go. Nende we nazika Mzee Hassan, tujje akagumba, take it to DNA. So we took it to Dubai, to where and it came out nga tebikwatagana, but still is my father kubanga we share. Yazala mama wange abaana, so is my father, and nakula manyi nti yali awo, so is my father. And bino ne bijja bye mulaba leero, so I kept quiet banga nkuze nzekka sina kyemmanyi, there is no bond, ndi hasila wa ku street, kulidde mu Buganda wano, ndi musajja Muganda, nze buli kimu ekyange ky'Abaganda kyemmanyi, era ne bwe mbanga nyina mu kayembe we naatuula, bwe ntuula n'Omuganda emboozi gye tusumulula eba enyuma, si mu bubi naye kyemmanyi kyekindi buli wamu. So bond eyo nempa hard time, but with the time netugenda nga tujja tugezaako okukwatagana, tukyazimba. It has taken some years. That's why I didn't find it necessary to talk about it, because it is in the bizibu. I don't want even to go further, but it is whatever it is what it is. That's what I can say. But all in all, God is good. I'm here, I'm a superstar today. Everyone knows me. I have family. I have friends who turned into family. I have fans who turned into family. I have a very, very big, wide family. I've managed to make some money. I went back to Masaka. I bought a big land. I started my own family as number one beginning. But today, I'm so grateful that some things are coming out today. And it's always good to have a belonging, but that we shall see. Naye, I'm so grateful for everything. I don't want so many questions about that thing. That's what I can say for now, and don't proceed from there.
Era eyo closed chapter tukimaliriza ekyo, tugenda kufunayo ebibuuzo nga 5. Ekyomukisa omulungi tetugenda bana 1-on-1, so buli alina ekibuuzo tulina kiyisizaawo wano nga tetudda mu byetumalirize. Ngenda twala 5 aliwo asooka Kachumbali. The offices federation yaffe ennungi ya Uganda National Musicians Federation. Olunaku olwaleero tulina ensonga ze tugenda okubanga president wa federation atangazaamuko. Olunaku olw'ejjo twabadde ne launch ya Yoweri music album eyabadde ku Speak Resort. Abamu mwabadde mulina ebibuuzo bingi ku album eno n'ebimu ku mukulembeze w'eggwanga bye yayogedde nga mwagala Kenzo president wa federation abeka engeri gy'abya addressingamu. So zezimu ku nsonga ze tuli wano, tali yekka wano maaso nga manyi federation tetambula yokka erina associations nyingi ezigigatta nesobola okubanga ekola emirimu gyayo. So abakulu bano nabo bagenda batubuuzaako katonotono tulabe engeri gye tugenda okukitambuza mu maaso. Tujja kwaniriza ebibuuzo maaso awo nga bijja ba bitonotono olw'ensonga y'obudde. Tukimanyi leero Sunday munna mwagala genda kubaako ngeri gye mugwattamu ebintu byammwe. So katandike n'abakulu abali wano buli omu agenda kukozesa eddakiika emu.
So you are very welcome. I'm going to be mixing both English and Luganda, because I want my people to be. But I think Jambo, you understand Luganda. Yes. Do you understand this one? This one is from Guru. Actually, this is from Lango. That's Lira, and then this is from Teso. Iteso. Eh? Yes. And this one is from Buganda, Gomba, Greater Mpigi Butambala. Ni oli waawe.
Nzuwe ndiwe Buganda.
Anti wa. Kitundu.
Machindi.
Bakuzika.
Banzika na Mugomba.
Bano balinga kaloli. Muli ba mu kibuga. Tuli bannakyalo. Anyway, you are welcome, guys. Yesterday twabadde tulina album launch eya Yoweri Kaguta Museveni gye bayita Yoweri. Yoweri means ensonga. Yoweri. Ensonga, the reason why we have to celebrate Mzee, the reason is there.
Yes.
And when we talk about that, there's so many factors and so many reasons why. One, twatuulanga abayimbi ne tugamba nti in fact si bayimbi bokka, the entire creative sector, but basically abayimbi they're the ones who champion this because kyajja nga music agetinze nnyo involved mu music mu politics. Ne tulaba nga we are losing a lot as musicians. Ne tugamba what do we do, you know? Ne coming up with an idea nti twekolemu omulimu, twekolemu associations until we came up with an idea of the federation. Why? Because twali tuli in the middle and very disorganizing nga buli omu asikazaawa ate nga buli omu aba alina interest ye, naye nga ffe tuli mu kusigala mu bbanga ng'olaba gavumenti erowooza tugirwanyisa ng'ate oli agamba buli omu nga alina byakola. Ne tugamba nedda tukole okwegatta kuno tusobole okuba nga tutuula ne ba policy makers, tutuula n'abantu ab'enjawulo, twegeyeemu what is the problem. Ebintu bitandise okwonooneka ngera bwe muze mbiraba, you know everything. Ne coming up with an idea nti tutuule tuleme okukozesa kubanga ebintu bingi byali bigoinga wrong nga tetulina copyrightiro, CMOs tezitusasula, CRBTs tezisasula, aggregators batuzannya, emisolo negyeyongera ku miryango, ebintu ne bitandika okwonooneka, music n'atandika okubeerera ddala ng'afuuse kizibu. Abantu ne batandika okugenda mu rehab, batandika okufuna stress, byonna muze mubiraba. Bino byenjogera abaze abagoberera music babimanyi.
Kenzo ng'okwasiridde mukaawo just otupaintingira ekifaananyi, federation eno erimu associations mmeka?
I'm coming there, but I wanted to give you a preamble. Mbani ya kuwa yuka summary. How tutuuka tutya wano, in short. Ekyatutuusa wano nga tulaba twali tufiirwa nnyo. Ne tugamba katutuule tukole ki? Twekolemu ebibiina. Ne tutandika okufuna meeting nga tubuuza how would we solve this problem. Ne coming up nga tugambe nti as an organization that wants to develop the people of Uganda, there is no way you cannot work with the government. Kubanga yeina mandate okubanga emanaging abantu bannayuganda ba citizens, ye governing ebitongole ebyenjawulo ebya gavumenti n'ebitali. That's why ne tugamba how do we open up a conversation. Nani tumanya nti tujja kwetaaga ministry mwe tugwa tufuneyo nawe meeting, tujja kwetaaga UCC as a regulator, tujja kwetaaga URSB as a registrar, tujja kwetaaga OWC for wealth creation, tujja kwetaaga abantu ab'enjawulo, tujja kwetaaga State House for the office of the president. So ne tutandika okuleeta abantu abo on board. Tujja kwetaaga parliament for the amendment of copyright law. Tujja bangi betwakizuula nti tubeetaaga. So ne tutandika okwogera n'abantu bano nga tuwogerezeganya, ne tukakkanya amaloboozi ne tutandika kulekaana. When we were coming down, we reached a time we were given appointment to visit the State House and meet the president. Nga tukozesa connections zino zegambe n'okwogera obulungi ne meetings until we were meeting a president. Okitegeera? Naye yennyini n'atuguiding era n'awulira amaloboozi gaffe n'atuyamba. N'atuwa seed fund kuba twali twakava mu COVID nga naye akyatucunya. Ne tukolamu kassako, ne tufuna mindset change programs wano and in the regions, ne batandika process ya copyright law olwedde n'olutuulo olusooka olwatuula kati balimu badde bagenza okugenda otandika okubeera bize mu campaign nga bamaze okutuula olusooka lwaggwa nga bagenze mu committee meetings, tulinda second and third hearing then yeite of which tebakyadda mabega. Naawe okimanyi nti bwetuuka mu committee stage ekiba kibulayo second and third okulaba nga ekola ki tekyadda mabega basically kuba ebibuuzo biba bingi. We can even challenge them in court. Naye kati I'm telling you from the informative point of view tugenda kubanga copyright law tugifuna egenda kuyita. That is it. era president n'atugaidinga n'atugamba nti muleme kutunuulira ensi ndala, mutunuulire tukuuma tutya geeti yaffe nga bannayuganda in our own way. Then n'agiyita Ssenyenge, n'agamba oteeka otya Ssenyenge ku luyimba lwo, n'atukwasa State House Science team ne tukola copyright management system almost erirede, ebulako just ndowooza take off kati, which mulimu financial implications. Then jjukira yatuwaayo batuwa 10 billion naye ne basooka ne batuwaako 5 ne tuteekako mu Sako wano ne tuopeninga regional studios ne tuba nga tusensitizing abantu baffe mu ngeri emu oba endala. So bwetutunuulira ebintu ebyo byonna ebivudde mu kwogera obulungi ne gavumenti, we cannot lose it. You understand? Bwe twalabye nga Oweekitiibwa President, Your Excellency, agenda mu kalulu ne tugamba what can we do to show him nti omukwano guno guli mu kutambula ku kintu. Wano mu nsi mwe tutambulira okutegeera nti omuntu mwagalana kwe kulaba nga muwanyisiganya ku bulabo here and there, nga bwakuwadde naawe omuddize, ono alya n'ono alya emmere ekola ki? 1 minute. Ono alya n'ono alya emmere ekola ki? Emmere egenda. So ne tusalawo naffe ng'abayiiya tukozese emitwe gyaffe tumuwe gift eno eya album nga tukozesa regions zonna the 19, even with the value chain on there, we collaborated on one album, all of us. Nti bw'anaagenda mu north abe nga waliyo their songs they can play there. You know, bwe bagenda mu west, bwe bagenda mu east, bwe bajja mu central, bawulire nti naffe tulina kitu contributings nga bwe tugenda ne meeting zaffe zino mu maaso. Some of us, we have reasons to support him.
The president.
This federation here is not partisan, because tulina n'abantu nga balina endowooza zaabwe ez'enjawulo, and they are okay, they are free. Naye some of us, we support him as human and we have the right. You know, we have the right ng'abantu ng'omuntu okuba nti nze ng'era bw'olaba nti Magogo is a member of parliament but the president of FUFA and is on NRM ticket and it's not an offense. So n'abalala gye bali wano waliwo abantu abalina views ez'enjawulo and it is okay, but some of us, we agree that we are who we are today because Your Excellency the President has created that platform for us, most especially security, the peace we have, because you cannot sing any single song during the war. When Mondunge Eseka bullets exchanging, it is very hard for you to record a song. You'll be on the run. So we wanted to appreciate it. Singa ku collaboration gyetulina ennaku zino etambula obulungi, relationship gyetulina between him and the government. Zabuza bangi, ono akugamba bino, ono akugamba biri, bakulaga bibyo. Naye mutunuulira omuvubuka nga nze saasoma ekitegeera, nze bazadde bange baali nze nazaalibwa mu biseera bya ntalo, oba ekitegeera, ndowooza nga zikyagenda mu maaso banga zaakaggwa bwe wati, oba ekitegeera. Kati bw'otunulira some of us tutambudde tugenze international, tuzadde n'abaana, tufuuse nga waliwo akalembereza ako, we have to appreciate it. So ekyo twakikoze lweza ensonga, album bagiyita Ensonga Yoweri. All of us, the guys of Lango, they have a song on it. The people of Iteso, they have a song on it. The people of Acholi, they have a song on it. The people of West Nkole, they have a song on it. Even the Bachiga, even the Karamajong, even the Sebei, even the people of Usoga, the Mbale, as a gift for the campaign, they are mobilizational songs to mobilize in the coming election.
How many songs are on this album?
We have around 12 songs.
12 songs on the album.
We have around 12 songs, but what we did, because we couldn't do over, like there are 25 associations, plus the Kadongo Kamu, which Tujuranga Special Interest Group.
Okay.
We decided to collaborate because we believe in collaboration. The people of Iteso, they collaborated with the people from West Nile.
Yeah.
The people of Ankole, they collaborated with people from Buchiga, from Kasese, from Toro and Onyoro. The people of Jinja, they collaborated with the people from Bugweri, from Mbari, you know. So we collaborated. You can find it that some tracks we are like 4 or 5 on it, you know, so that we can cater for all of us.
What is the big? Are you like intending to shoot videos for this project?
Yes.
If you can paint for us that picture.
No, we are going to be shooting videos during the campaign trail.
Okay.
So we are going to move with Your Excellency the President to support him on the campaigns, and through those performances and all the activities that's going to be happening there, we are going to be recording, and those are we going to use us, and we are going to be shooting.
Now, just to set the record straight, the different artists from the different areas who are featured on this collaborative album, are they all going to perform in the different political activities for president?
For president, they will all perform. Rally, on the rally, they will perform.
Now, I don't know whether I can proceed and ask a question.
Please.
Many people argue that politics is quite divisive.
Yeah.
And I know the federation as the apex body for all the associations, it must have been a Herculean task for you to bring all these different artists, different associations together. Don't you think, in a way, the politics of you doing a song for His Excellence can in a way be divisive?
Not every musician is on this album that is in association.
Okay.
Not whoever affiliates to the federation has done this music. There are others who have their own views, and they are okay. They did not. Others, they have actually even sung for the opposition, and it is okay. Yeah.
So which producers did you work with on this project?
Even from the word go, this was Producers and Songwriters Association initiative. They're the ones who came up with an idea, and then they brought it to us. The singers, even I'm also a producer. Most of us, we are producers here. So the moment they brought the idea on table, we started working on it. We called other guys. They all got involved, and that's where we are.
Okay. If I may proceed, maybe give a follow-up question on the same. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Now, you've talked about the copyright law and how far you've moved with it. What are some of the challenges that you have experienced along the way?
Many challenges, of course, because this copyright law amendment I've seen our brothers and sisters on the street 20, 15 years ago.
Yes.
For the same cause. But for us, this time around, tufunyemu challenge because there are so many reasons. There is a lot of financial, cultural, right here and there, businesses. Copyright law is very wide. It's not for musicians alone. It's not about music alone. It involves so many things. Copyright law is wide because it's about intellectual property and intellectual property and neighboring rights. So through neighboring rights, there is a lot there. People don't know. The people who are watching, they think signing copyright law, it's like passing UPDF Act or something. No, this is wider because kirimu abantu enfuna y'abantu ba bulijjo mu ngeri emu oba endala. You understand? Through creativity or through business, through investment, it's big. You know, there's so many challenges, my brother. We have faced so many challenges, if I may say.
Nice. Furthermore, still on this.
Kino ekifo ky'abayimbi president yakitugulira as a common user facility like rehabilitation center era nga bw'olaba nti right now our brothers here, they come from Soroti, Teso, Lango, where, and they sleep here. They have a home in Kampala. You cannot tusa bakwata aida and disorder anymore. They come here for recording, they come here for mix and master, they come here for interviews like now, they come here for performances, they can have where they can sleep at a cheaper cost or even nothing, but in a way that is manageable, because we are one family, not because they are poor, they don't have money to pay for whatever, but as an industry, because they contribute a lot to the GDP. They contribute a lot today, because music, creative sectors like number 3, you know, after, and there was a construction, agriculture, then wache ekirala tourism awo, and then creative sector. So they deserve this. Soon they will bingi tujja kuba tubabuulira, because people akatambula. There are some things that are still moving on. I'm not even allowed to talk about this, though we had to tell the president, because he said yes, it's already, it is maybe it is already paid or not, but it's already. So ebyo tujja byogera nga tulonkinga oba nga lwo ekibeddewo. I don't think we should also proceed from there, but this is a musician's place, and nga bw'olaba nti the National Theatre is a creative place for all creatives. Even we have the office of the SPA, Senior President Advisor on the Creative. The office is in Muyenga. When other creatives don't come here, only music here, other creatives go to Muyenga, you know. So we are still in the beginning. Rome was not built in one day. So I cannot have a lot of explanation about these things until everything is ready. Then we shall come and let you know.
Thank you.
But we want to thank Your Excellency the President, because in your conversation muwulira nyumya, muwulira nti support ye mweri nyingi nnyo.
Kituufu ekyo. Marvin.
President, olunaku olw'eggulo twabadde ku Speak Resort. Abayimbi bangi ababaddeyo abava mu regions ez'enjawulo. Naye wasinzira ku kyo okuba ng'ogaba invitations oba abayimbi abalina okujja ku mukolo ng'ogwo. Kuba bangi betwatalabyewo ate abayimbi nga bandyagadde okubeerawo.
First and foremost, yesterday, it was a Saturday. That's when most of the musicians are very, very busy. We were actually very impressed to see such a number. Most of the MCs, comedians, musicians, DJs, they be so busy during Saturday and Sunday, mostly. From Friday to Sunday, we're always very busy. And so many of our colleagues were out for performances, you know. And but that's what the number we managed to get. But still, we did not manage to invite everyone. Not because they don't deserve it, they deserve it, but we did not have space. So we decided at least to invite 10 from each association, only 10, because we did not have space and maybe capacity, you know. So we decided to cut the number. All these guys, they brought 10. Yes.
Okay. Aliwayo mulala alina ekibuzo, tuuza ebibuzo nga 3 bina tumalirize.
Any other question?
Ibra.
President, era nongera nange okubuuza ku mukolo twabadde yesterday. Speak Resort. Ngera bw'omanyi nti otubeera paka ebigambo bingi byo nti tetwalabyeko bayimbi bamanyikiddwa bazinfu album
nabaddeko.
Gwenga gwobadde n'enteekateeka.
Nabaddeko, ndi mumanyifu. Mumanyifu lwakuba ewaabwe si gy'obeera. Jambo here is very popular in Iteso. If you ask the people of there, there's so many guys, those of Laxi. There are so many people that you don't know. You understand? And another thing, we wanted to bring vibrance, new blood. You know, we wanted to give a platform. You know, we wanted to give a platform. And nobody started big. We all started from somewhere. You know, and even though the big artists, they have their individual projects, you know. So, and we could not all of us fit on the album. And many of them, they even got an opportunity to Bonga now it would be so very meaningful to bring other guys on. And yes, but here in Buganda we had in the central, we also had very popular people, very popular. Kati Kwendi, Chibijigiri kwali, Sebali kwali, Mukabya kwali, bani abalala. Many guys are on. Guys, abantu kwe bali ku album. Yeah.
Ekibuuzo ekirala.
Ate n'abatabadde popular kati bafuuse kubo bamanyi.
Kale tugenda twala omukyalo ono.
President, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Wa alaikum salaam.
Erinnya Natabalaziya, Planet DSL 5.
Yes.
Ekibuuzo kyange kiri ku nsonga ya studio. Omukulembeze w'eggwanga yabadde ayogera yalaze nga atali mu mativu ne studio gye yawa abayimbi ng'ayita Mpepekulu. Ensonga eno ogenda gikolako otya nga presidential advisor ku nsonga y'ebitone n'ekyanga president w'abayimbi?
Yeah, first and foremost, for us, we appreciate each and every step that were taken before. And we started from there to where we are. So far so good. We are moving well. You know, yet we have where we can go. We still need Baby Cool in so many things as an elder. He can guide us in so many things than going back and start saying this and that. In some ways, over just sorting any president.
Musoga Eclipse, then Tusembe Sanchez.
Yeah, man. Buli munamawulire oba ayagala kuyisaawoka Gaza ebitujja biraba tuli
Musoga
senior presidential advisor ndi musanyufu nnyo okubeera wano wasage esookera ddala nasanyuse ku mukolo gwe nalabye yesterday olaba nga art industry esobola omukulembeze w'eggwanga mu budde bw'ekiro najja n'atuulawo. Ekibuuzo ekyange kigenda kuba a bit distance omukolo gwabadde yesterday yadde era nga kijja kwetoololekaawo katono. Ebintu ebisinga ndowooza katubikutte bulungi as the industry one of federation, naye ensonga eya indiscipline mbayimbi esusse. Nga Mr. President ebirala byonna mugezezaawo kubanga mubiteeka mulayi, naye abayimbi abali violent bwe tuba twogera ne president elect tetulina ngeri yonna gye tuyinza kuteekawo mbeera eyinza kuziyiza violence asusse mu bayimbi. Then n'ekirala ensonga ey'emisolo egiri ku venues mu ttegeka ebiggulu banayi zituuseewa.
Okay, are you done?
Yes.
One, lack of managing violence mulimu gwa police. Ekyo ne ffe tusobola okutuula ne twogera ona nzibidde oluyimba ona twakoze bwe tuti wano waliwo kano naye kasa kijjamu ona ankubye oluyi awo poliisi eyingirawo. Oba okitegeera waliwo ate ebintu poliisi byerina okuhandulinga kubanga federation terina komera terina kooti, so we cannot handle everything. Fe tuli mu policing, tuli mu empowerment, tuli mu mindset change strategy, you know, tuli mu ebyo okusinga naye bwe mulaba ekisusse ku mbeera awo ate omulala nga naye akola ki ng'ayingiramu. Ng'era bwolaba bwe tucollaborating nga bwe nagambye tulina URSB for registration, tulina UCC for regulation, tulina UPRS for royalty collection copywriting, tulina gender for belonging, you know, tulina ICT naye tugwayo tourism tulina collaborating n'abantu bangi. Then we might be also collaborate. I think we are collaborating with Uganda Police as citizens of Uganda. That's when Ugandan police should come in and do their job.
Alina ekibuuzo kirala kyabuuzizza ku venues emisolo
ku venues tukiriko. One, bintu bye tuli mu kugezaako kulaba nti bigira kwe kulaba nga twongezaako ssaawa ya performance bave ku ssaawa 6 guno baddeko at least ku 8, because bw'otunulamu abantu ebiseera ebisinga jam n'okudirenga abantu bayingira mu kivulu kuva ku ssaawa 2, 3, 4. Kati omuyimbi ebiseera ebisinga bayagala ayimbira abantu be nga bazze, ebiseera ebisinga atuukako kunnya ku stage. Kati ate alina okuleetamu ne banne bajje bamuyambeko, and then planizaako okuzannya biki emcing. 2 hours is a very small time. We want at least to go for 4 hours at least since the time of baba batandikidde, tusobole okuba nga abantu tebaddamu kuddamu ebyo ate ojje ku stage okozesa buyinza bwa ofiisi bwo ate ab'ennugu banyiige ate so tugenda nakyo tuli mukirwanako n'ekyomusolo kulanga gukendeerako. Of course Your Excellency the President naye alina kyali mu kuyiiya okulaba nti akolera bannayuganda in terms of musolo ogwo. Bintu bigenda kubeera birungi.
Abalanyo kamalizeeyo about yesterday's event. Eddie, omukolo gwabaddeko His Excellency the President. Tusuubira nti yazze kulaba abantu abali mu art industry. Twabadde tusuubira nti ba artists ba creative bandiweereddwa omukisa ocommunicatingako eri president. Naye twalabye nti speeches zaabadde ntono nnyo naddala okuva mu art. Oli presidential advisor omulaba buli lunaku, omulaba w'oyagalira okumuadvisinga. Lwaki tebaawaddeko bayimbi balala oba ne bapromota opportunity okwogerako eri president?
One, batukatinze short. Twabadde tukyaperforminga ne performance yaffe ennyini twagikozeko only half. We planned 1 hour, we did for only like 20 minutes, and then they cut over 60 minutes left. So we started panicking, you know, tufuna stress out. We had a lot in plan, naye byonna byakomyawo. Bapromota twabadde tubateereddewo kasiloti, twabadde tuteereddewo badde bapromota tubawaddeyo kasiloti, twabadde tuwadde kasiloti ba elders nabo boogereko, laba tebafunye budde kwogera bapyalinzeko apyalinze. Twabadde tuwadde executive kasiloti, twabadde tulina ka video ke twagala okulaga how we have managed to build all this, even at time teyalabise. And then we missed over an extra of 5 songs that we did not perform. So tense twabadde ne panic togirabanga.
Ekibuuzo ekisembayo okuva ewa Sanchez.
I think if I may ask one, it's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
And it's pertaining to copyright management system.
Yes.
And for me, I would want you to allay the fears ezaliwo naddala okuva buba stakeholders, media gyegwa, ba DJs nga bafunye abamukola ki okutya bagenda kwetaaga okugula akuuma ak'okuteeka mu ki ak'okuteeka mu system okuba abamonitoringa ki engagements ezo zigenda beerawo mu maaso kigenda beera rushed. Kyembadde njagala if you can allay those fears.
Nze ndowooza abantu tebalina kutya kintu ekyo. First and foremost, according ku bintu bye tuli mu kuyiiya, it will not be the DJ paying. Ekifo DJ mwakubira kijja kuba kisasula emitwalo ng'etaano omwezi. Ezo nyingi si nyingi. Kaakati bajja teeka ku kifo ne baba bagambye teeka ku gadget yo, sirabawo buzibu, because you are not the one paying. Ebbaala oba kifo oba hoteeri oba kiyegenda okubanga esasula. Bw'obanga oli bbaala uno oba something that's I don't know. Ate nga akasente katono.
So engagement zijja bbaawo.
Yes. Then eno track eyo gy'owulira boogerako. Yejja okutrackinga who should receive what based on the playlist. You know, like how it is happening in other countries. We are benchmarking from the countries that did it before us. It is very easy.
Then kintu ky'okuharmonizinga spirit eno between producers, writers, n'abayimbi, response ebadde etya okuva mu
The spreadsheet page is there already. It depends on the negotiations in that particular meeting or project on how you bargain. Yeah.
Kale tweyanza nnyo Sanchez, ekibuuzo ekisemba tumalirize.
Ekibuuzo kyange kiri kubeera ku copyright. Aba stakeholders abamu abayimbi ya complaining nti mwabasuubiza copyright naye ate mwawaddemu album.
Copyright is coming. We never gave them album. Twagiwadde muzeeyi not them.
Kale ekyo kiwedde nga tumaliriza album.
But I wanted you guys my guys to say hello.
Introduce themselves a little bit. President nga tebanatugamba hello. Album eno abantu bayinza gisangawa.
So this album ngeri gyeri nti nno initiative ya UNMF yagikoze. We are going to be releasing it on YouTube and platforms of UNMF. We are going to be releasing at least one track a day or 2 days. It will depend on the meeting, But have you uploaded a song at least? Please upload one now. People need to hear this music. Make sure you upload it. Number one track, let it be on YouTube today. And then tomorrow another one. Because and then when you should release this music because we are starting campaign soon. Release this music.
Campaigns
In fact, you should release it at once and people choose their favorite. Release it at once.
kale
Please do.
tweyanziza abakulu
Thank you.
president
Because the president launched it yesterday, and I think it is good. It should be out immediately. Today. Put it out.
kale tweyanziza nnyo mwebale
Can my guys say something, guys? You need to know who they are. These are very, very good artists. You need to know who they are. You know, my brother, introduce yourself.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Lax Muba.
Now here we are. Yesterday you said the men of
banaye tumalirize tukakanye ku maloboozi tumalirize.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Lax Muba. I am the chairperson of Greater Choli Musician Association, the body that governs the creatives in the Choli sub-region. I'm honored to be here, to be part of the You Wearing album launch that took place yesterday. Through the UNMF, there is so far unity in the industry of Uganda. So as the Cholis, we're excited and we can't wait as well to be on the train of His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much. I'm called Kenzo Jye. I'm a coordinator at Eastern Uganda, the chairperson in TESO. I'm really so happy to be here with you people, and I want to say thank you to His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni for what he has done, giving us a platform generally, like a nation, platform whereby the youth, because you know we have the youngest population in the country, whereby most of the youth right now go into the creativity jobs. Now you can create your own job and you'll be possibly be able to sustain yourself. So we want to thank him for what he has done, and the audience has given us like the creative. And I want to take this time to thank also our president, because actually it's happening for the first time. This hasn't been there before, because without him, you wouldn't have seen us, people from Teso, you wouldn't have seen people from Northern Uganda. But yesterday in that album, we were given a platform as well. You remember the Tugonga Nawe? Mainly you found that it was only the central people who were there. But now in this album, we are all represented, and we are so glad. And this is and the fight that the federation is bringing, it's not actually meant for us, like you see, but the benefits that are going to come there are going to benefit everybody, regardless of their political affiliations. So, like the copyright, it's going to benefit even you people, the journalists, the authors, and the musicians from different sectors. So, I want to say thank you very much to our president, Ebya Kenzo, who left everything he was supposed to do from like concerts, having them abroad, and came down here and said, let's fight for the industry. We have really been here for a very short time. It's not very long, but at least the achievements we've seen. Now we have a base here. That's what people are hosting you today here. And this is the base for all of us. So many opportunities which will come up, it's because of the efforts that he has put, and because of the audience the president himself has given us. Thank you very much. I remain called Kenzo Jye, the representative of Eastern Uganda, the coordinator, and the chairperson of TESO. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Yes, my name's, ladies and gentlemen, my name's I'm called Gavin Lakoti. I am the General Secretary of Greater Choli Musician Association. That we are happy here. There are three people actually that I want to thank. These three people are, the first is President Yoweri Museveni Kaguta, for actually giving us a platform for us, the musicians. The second person I also want to thank is General Salim Saleh. He has always stood with the musicians from the word go. Some of us are being known here because of General Salim Saleh. And the final thanks goes to Ebya Kenzo. He really came down and united Uganda. Something that has never happened. So Ebya Kenzo, we thank you. We shall stand by you. At any time you need us, with the musicians of Uganda, we shall come. Thank you very much. I remain Gavin Lakota.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, my name is called King Blood Munwa. I am the chairperson of Lao Musician Association and the coordinator of Uganda National Musician Federation, Northern Uganda. We are really so happy about federation and the all entire leaders, because we now feel Uganda is one now, not like those days. You can now see us on the same stage. Not that we are not superstars. We are superstars in our area. Because we also have some superstars who are only superstars in Uganda here. They don't even cross our region. So we are now mixing things, and I hope everything will be okay. My name is King Blood Moon Walang.
Thank you so much.
Basebole banyabo. Amanya gange nze Haji Sulaiman Lwanga Khalifa, chairman NRL Banakwiri, chairman Greater Mpigi Musicians Association mu ngeri emu, ani mufuzi olukiiko olufuga federation yaffe executive committee, ate nga ndi ku lukiiko olufuga sako eya federation. Nimusanyufu nnyo okubalaba okubasinkana mu kifo kino. Nja kusookera ddala okwebaza pulezidenti waffe Bitiisa Kenzo watuusizza industry yaffe okusinziira wagijje ne wagituusizza ekiseera kino. Bitiisa webale nnyo, webalire ddala. Mu ngeri y'emu ntwala okusiima eri pulezidenti w'eggwanga lyaffe His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni olw'ensonga zaffe zakutte n'obwegendereza nga twali wala nnyo okutuuka kati watandise okutuwuliriza abantu batandike okutulabawo ng'abantu. Tumusiimira ddala era tumusiimira ddala. Akalowooza kange nga nze omu kubiriza abayimbi abasobola mwenna muwagire Pulezidenti Museveni 2026 paka 2031.